Hey everyone. So today, let's make editing podcasts a little bit easier. Let's say the producer comes back and says that they actually didn't like this section here. It had nothing to do with the story and they would like for you to edit it. And that's very easy to do by selecting the marquee tool, grabbing the section you want, and deleting. Now that raises an issue though. We'd have to go over and grab every single little piece. And with a podcast like this that's over 4 hours long, that might take a little bit of time. But what we can do is we can zoom in on the section that we want, set the loop to the area that we want to cut out. By right-clicking it, we can use cut section between locators globally, or Control Command X, and that will move everything over. The same thing will work for music. Let's say that we want to take this section here. We're just going to go ahead and grab everything that we want inside of this bar, including this little note here, but we want to keep these two things where they are and go ahead and leave them alone. Now we can delete that because we don't need that section. What we want to do is we have little slide in bars or pickup bars here in this song, and I don't really want to get rid of those. So before we actually move everything over, this is the one thing that we'll have to manually move over first and then slide everything over with either the cut selection between locators or with using the quick key.